the leaders from across Northeast. We have one of our most seniors activists, Brother Ninglo, and we have other dignitaries. Please, I don't want to take too long introducing you all, but today is a very special and very significant day for us. Why the world or the United Nations declare this World Indigenous People Day? There is a lot history to tell about this, but I wouldn't take much long to introduce that. But let me recall our leader, the chief of Deskahe, Mr. How Deni Sauni. It's very difficult. He was the chief who had traveled to Geneva in 1923. He was denied to enter into the League of Nations, and he returned back home in the year 1925. Similarly, we have seen T.W. Ratna, who is a religious leader of Maori, who has led the delegations to London to submit the petitions to King George, but he was also denied. And later he had sent his delegations to Geneva, to the League of Nations, to submit the petitions to the Geneva, but the delegations also was denied. Now, my dear brothers and sisters, as Northeast is known as 7 sisters and 1 brother, we come here together to celebrate as one nation. When I mean one nation is one indigenous people. We were called not by our identity. We were recognized not by our identity, but by the kind of racism, by the kind of neglections where they neglect us, where they start calling us tribal. Is there any word or the terminology that is written in the constitutions of India? No. It is being written scheduled tribe. So why tribal? Tribal basically means it is uncivilized, uncultured, who stay naked without clothes, who eats raw, who doesn't have the culture and system. But my dear brothers and sisters, we the indigenous people of this earth, we are the first settler. We have our own culture. We have our own law and systems where we live as one society, where we live as one identity. We have our own language. We have our own traditional dresses that we wear onto different occasions and to a different systems and to a different places. But today we are called as a tribals. Is it that we are uncivilized? But let me tell you, we are not same like the other people. We have our unique identity. We have our unique looks. We were, since from time immemorial, we were one of the civilized society where we live without culture, where we live without systems. But they try to suppress us. For that reason, the entire nations of indigenous people came together to fight. And it took 1 generation to make the League of Nations, later it came United Nations, to realize and to understand who we are. And therefore, the United Nations came under the UN General Assembly Resolutions 49 of 214, where they have declared that 9 August would be the Indigenous Day. Now, we are very proud to be known and to be recognized as Indigenous Day, because Indigenous people have a very unique identity. They have unique system which doesn't assimilate with others. We can see how our dresses are. We can see with our colors. We can see with our different attires and with different handicraft that we stand, that we proudly show that we are the most civilized and most civilized people who looks after this nature. We are so much connected with the mountains. We are so much connected with the forests, natures, because we are nature worshippers. Either we are Hindu or either we are of different religions in terms of religions, if I have to speak. We have our own unit of worship. When we saw the inauguration part, when our His Highness, the King of Turkey, has prayed for us, this is the system. We don't worship any handmade or any statue, but we worship the natures. That's the unique. Therefore, our food system is different from any others. Our language is different from any others. But we understand among us through our culture, through our system, through our food habits, through our dresses, there is a unity of indigenous peoples. Therefore, I would like to urge here in this August gathering that let us not accept the word or the terminology that has given to us, which is called tribal. We are not a tribal. We have our own way of recognition. We have our own identity. Why we are not being known or why we are not being called by our identity. Therefore, my dear friends, why these indigenous peoples are struggling today? Because our lands are being taken away. Our cultures are being taken away. Our languages are being suppressed. Therefore, we are here to stand, to protect our land, to protect our forest, to protect our natures, to protect our culture, and to protect our language. Today, the indigenous people have to demand for our rights. We have to demand for our language. We have to demand for our land right. We have to demand for our culture. We have to demand for our identity. Why? Because they show us that we are very simple, that we are very hardworking people, that we don't like to fight with others. That is the lacuna where they found us to actually divide and to give us as their wish, the names. Therefore, let us stand today and let us promise that we are not less than anyone else. We are the first civilized, we are the first settler of this land, we are the son of soil. Therefore, the land is ours and we are the indigenous people and no one can take away our rights from this land and from these nations. Because we are blessed by the nature, because we are blessed by the sun only, where we get our sustainability food, where we get our different food from nature, from forest. And today, everything is influenced by their cultures, by their system, by their food habits. Therefore, today, we are also going to show many of our indigenous food systems, many of our indigenous handicrafts and other things. So I think this symbolizes that we would like to pass to our younger generations to understand who we are, and why we should be known by our own identity, why we should stand by our own recognitions, where we should stand by our own cultural dress, not by influence by others, by other cultures, by other systems and other policies. So we have our own policy, we have our own system where we govern the society. So let us not be influenced, let us not be taken away by so-called non-indigenous people and be mocked by the non-indigenous people. So let us be proud to wear our own traditional dress in a very this kind of events and in very important events, so that our identity doesn't require to introduce ourselves. Our dress itself introduce our identity. Our culture itself introduce our identity. And with this message, I would like to leave this hall that let us understand and let us protect our land and territory so that we indigenous people live and govern with our own system, with our own law, with our own culture, with our own language, so that we should not be influenced by other culture and by other law. Long live indigenous people! Kargong, Hambai, Jotana Kuluka, Beleka Hambai, Kiprasa Dofa, the Jotana Northeast, the Jotana Dofa, Beleka Hambai. Thank you very much.